Hey there, I'm Cam, a brand identity designer based in Chicago. I was born in Hong Kong but moved to the US when I was 8 years old. I studied visual communication at Northern Illinois University and have been a creative professional for over 17 years, creating brand identities, package design, and environmental branding. Over the past few years, I discovered my passion as an entrepreneur helping small businesses create a big impact. In 2023, I want to share my design knowledge and take you on my design journey, as well as build a community with other like-minded entrepreneurs. When I'm not working, I'm either devouring some tasty ramen or checking out the food scene in Chicago. And for fun, I enjoy indoor rock climbing, bowling, and roller skating. So that's me in a nutshell. Feel free to introduce yourself and connect with me.